Okay, so today what we are going to start with is Accounts Semester 2 Syllabus Discussion and Specimen Paper Analysis. So before going to specimen paper analysis, we should know that what are the chapters that we have to prepare for Semester 2 Accounts 2022. Okay, so you can see to your screen that I have given you, and here I have a stick in the syllabus that is there in semester 2 examination for class 12th ISC. So the chapter that is there from the partnership account is the retirement of partnership and the dissolution of partnership firm. So these are the two chapters that are there from the partnership accounts, and then the chapter from joint stock company accounts is issue of debentures and redemption of debentures. And then it comes to your section B, where you have to prepare financial statement analysis and cash flow statement. So these are total of your 6 chapters that you have to prepare for accounts 12th ISC. Now these all 6 chapters are very important, and they hold a strong weightage into your paper. And also you know that now you will only be having 40 marks paper, and out of all 40 you have to prepare the all 6 chapters. Now the first 2 chapters are from partnership accounts, reconstitution of partnership, dissolution of partnership firm. Both are going to be somewhere having something from your first 2 chapters, so you must have the hold on the first 2 chapter, which is meaning of partnership, where you are doing fundamentals of partnership. Then the second one, your goodwill calculation of goodwill, valuation of goodwill. And then the third chapter that you had was your admission of a partner, so that you already done with, you are already done with, you have this strong knowledge about them. So we will be seeing now the weightage of all these chapters according to the specimen paper analysis. Okay, so here you have all the guidelines. So these are the guidelines that you have to remember, okay, on your accounts paper. So it's going to be maximum marks 40, time allowed is 1 hour and a half hour. Please be aware about your time limit, 1 hour and 1.5 hour. Candidates are allowed additional 10 minutes for only reading the paper. So you have 10 minutes for reading the paper. So yeah, just I told you that you have to be aware about time and limit. Okay, so as you can see that here you have 10 minutes only for reading the paper. So just please be very particular, be habitual to solve the questions as soon as possible. Okay, so yes, you have 1.5 hour in total. Transaction should be recorded in the answer book. So you will be given an answer sheet where you have to solve the questions, and you have to show very clearly this step and that step, like you used to do in your normal lifestyle papers previously when they are theoretical in a manner. So you have to show very clearly all the workings that you are going to do in any question. So yeah, all these things you need to keep into mind, because your habits have been taken out from yourself, because you have not using these things since a very long time. You don't have habit to solve the whole questions. Now you just used to do it mentally, but now you have to use pen and paper to write down how do you derive this, how don't you, and blah blah. So yes, all working including rough work should be done on the same sheet as adjacent to the rest of the answer. So this is all about the journal guidelines that you should know about before your paper, so that you can even prepare in that very way, like you have this much time. So how you, if you are practicing the question, just be very particular, like when you are solving, just take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, not more than that. So just make the practice likewise, like you can able to do in your paper as well. So this is about the journal guidelines you must know about your accounts semester 2. And now let's go to the analysis of the specimen paper. Like if I am going to start with the analysis, so we have 2 sections, as we already know about this. So there is nothing or anything like you don't know about this thing. Like in previously also you have whatever the paper you have 2 sections, section A and section B. And as I already told you guys, be aware about this thing, like you have to practice like in a very way like you are able to attempt in the papers. So yeah, you have two sections, section A, section B. You have total 40 marks in which your section A and section B will be divided. Section A is going to be of 23 marks. Okay, so just and please forgive me for my handwriting. So yeah, it is going to be of 23 marks, or no, sorry, it's not going to be 23, it's going to be 26. I'm sorry. So it is going to be the 26 marks. So it will contain 26 of your marks, and then section B of course will be of your 14 marks. So you have from section A to extract 26 marks and section B 14 marks. Now let's see how many questions do you have in section A. So in section A overall you have total questions to attempt is question 6, and the question 6, and if you look at the question 1, the question 1 will be your MCQ question. It will be your MCQ question. That means you will be having all the parts. There are 4 parts in question 1 and all the parts will be in MCQ basis. But they will only be of 1 mark. Okay, so 1 mark each. So question 1 has how many parts? 4 parts. So as it has 4 parts and each part will be of how many marks? 1 mark each. So 1 marks each. So you have 4 marks in your hand if you prepare in any way. Okay, so question 1 4 marks. Question 2 is going to have 2 parts again, and they all are going to be 1 mark each. They are basically theoretical questions, so you can easily attempt them, 1 mark each. So they are going to be direct questions. Like the question 2, the first part is on your redemption of debenture chapter, and the question 2 second part is your from dissolution of partnership firm. So as I already told you about question 1, that it is going to be the MCQ based question, and there will be 4 parts in your question 1. So yes, you have to remember this, that you have 4 parts in your question 1 and they all going to be 1 mark each. Then you have question 2, that will be having your 2 parts, and the 2 parts are going to be 1 mark each. Okay, 1 mark each. So if I am going to tell you the topics also, so in question 1 part 1 you have DRR based question. DRR is debenture redemption reserve, and it is from the chapter redemption of debentures. Then question 1 part 2 is from your revaluation account, that is from your retirement of a partner. And then question 3 is again from your issue of debentures, and the topic that is there in issue of debenture is going to be your non-cash consideration issue of debentures. Okay, then the part 4 of question 1 is going to be from your dissolution of the firm. Okay, so these are the 4 parts, 1 mark each, MCQ based. Then question 2 2 parts, 1 mark each. Question 2 part 1 is your from the redemption of debentures. Question 2 dissolution of partnership firm has been there. And then in question 3 you have 5 marker question, and that 5 marker question is from your issue and redemption of debentures. So both the chapters combiningly are been there, issue and redemption. So you can see that how much these chapters are so important for you. And you might be thinking like, why you need to see this video, as it is based upon your specimen paper analysis. It may be because if you know that your semester 1 has the paper which is exactly same in the pattern that you have there, that you have been given by the boards, your specimen paper. So specimen paper analysis is very important, and when you see this you have in your mind like how much to focus in which chapter. Okay, and what are the topics that you have to very much have to be very much particular about. So also one thing that I wanted to advise you people just between the video, that is to prepare journal entries very well. Like in issue of debentures you mostly have journal entries to pass, and just make sure that you know each journal entry logic also behind them. Okay, if you want me, I can even teach you about your issue of debenture chapter and redemption of debentures. Okay, but that is something that we will be talking about later on. Here the point is to discuss the specimen paper. So let's see and continue. So as I told you, question 2, there are two parts. Question 2, first part is from your redemption of debentures. Question 2, second part is your from dissolution of partnership firm. Question 3, 5 marker, issue and redemption. Question 4, again 2 parts, and the first part is going to be of 2 marks, which is going to again of IOD, that is your issue of debentures, and again the journal entry question. And then question 4, 2 parts, as I already told you. Second part is going to be 3 marker, and that is from your retirement of a partner. Okay, so retirement and debentures is very much important. Dissolution is very least found, but then that is there in case of your question 6, 5 marker, where you have to prepare partner's capital account. Okay, that is a very big question. Question 5, 2 parts, again 1 part 2 marker, second part 3 marker. Okay, so this is overall your section A, which has total 6 questions, and that 6 questions are being divided in that very way. Okay, so that this is all about section A. Now let's move to section B, which is going to be of 14 marks. Now, if I'm going to talk about your section B, which is going to be of 14 marks, as I already told you so many times, I think in the very same video. So now the thing that you have to know, that is in section B, you only have to attempt 4 questions, and generally ISC students are advised to attempt section B, then section C. So I will be only dealing with section B, which is going to have question 7. 2 parts, again 1 marker each, and they are going to be MCQ based. Question 8, 5 marks. Question 9, 2 marks. Question 10, 5 marks. Okay, now your question 9 is of 2 marks and only one part. Question 8, 5 marker again. Question 10, 5 marker again. Okay, so this is about your section B. So here I conclude myself. Okay, I hope you get all the ideas very well, how you can prepare. You have now idea about seeing the specimen paper, to do which question when, and how you have to be, how you have to prepare yourself regarding marks also, and the topics also that I told you. Okay, so for as an educator, I would advise you to focus more on the chapter retirement and issue and redemption. You have to be preparing for dissolution also, but just try to maintain the strong grip between the chapters retirement and your company accounts. That is very important to go through. Okay, so this is all about today's video, account semester 2 specimen paper analysis and some special guidelines. Thank you. Do subscribe the channel and hit a like button to the video.